Good morning friends. In the last lecture we are study about the linear equations in two variables and we are giving some examples related to the linear equations of the two variables. Today we are going to how to solve the linear equations in two variables. Suppose that if you have a linear equations in two variable, then how you can solve. So related to the solution of these questions, I provide some questions and their solutions. There are the first question. First question is given that you have a y is equal to 3x and plus 5. What is the solution of that equations? There are the y is equal to 3x plus 5. Suppose that you put up the values of x, then you find the various values of y. As like you see, here is a x and there is y. Suppose that I put up x is equal to 1 in that equation, so y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. Therefore 3 plus 5 and it is equal to 8. So one solution is, if you put up x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 8. Second condition, I put up x is equal to 2. If I put up x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 into 2 and plus 5. 3 2s are 6 and plus 5, it is equal to 11. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 11. After that we put up x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, it means 3 3s are 9. 9 and plus 5, it is equal to 14. Next I put up x is equal to 4, then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5, it is a 17. Then I put up x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, then 3 5s are 15 and 5 this is equal to 20. So you can say, if you put up the values of x, then you find the many values of the y. So you can say this equation has infinite solutions. Infinite solution, it means it has many solutions. So in the same way you can find the solution of the linear equations. Second question. Question number second is given that write the 4 solutions for each of the following equations. You find the 4 solutions. I write down the one equations. Has one equation is x is equal to 4y. Equation number third. Question number third. You find the 4 solutions. 4 solution, it means you find the x and y, 4 values of x and y in the different points. Suppose that I put up the values of y is equal to 1. So this is equal to 4 ones are 4. The value of x, it is equal to 4. This is the first solution. I put up the value of y. This is equal to 2. So 4 2s are 8. This is the value of x. Next I put up 3. So 4 3s are 12. So the value of x, it is equal to 12. I put up 4, then 4 4s are 16. So you can see here are 4 solutions of the given equations. Then how you can find? You put up the value of one variables and after that you can find the values of another variable by using this method. In the next question, check which of the following are the solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Some conditions are given. These conditions are the solution of that equation or not. Here the equation is given x minus 2y is equal to 4. I take the two solutions. Suppose that one is 0 and 2 and second is that 4 and 0. 4 and 0 and third is under root 2 and 4 under root 2. These 3 conditions are given and in each condition you can find these 3 conditions are the solution of the given equation or not. If you just wanted to find the solution of the given equation, then first you say in this ordinate, here the first value of the x and second values are the y. I put up in the equation is x minus 2y, this is equal to 4. Here the value of x, this is equal to 0, and the value of y, this is equal to 2. So 0 minus 2 into the value of y, it is equal to 2, is equal to 4. Minus 4 is equal to 4. So minus 4, it is can't possible that it is equal to 4. So it does not possible that is equal to 4. So you can say 0 and 2 are the not solution of the given equation x minus 2y, this is equal to 4. Second condition, you can write down here, it is not a solution of given equation. Second condition, here you also write down the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Here the value of x, this is equal to 4, and the value of y, this is equal to 0. So you put up x is equal to 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Here 4, this is equal to 4. You can see 4, that is equal to 4, and LHS and RHS both sides are equal. Then you can say 4 and 0, 0.4 and 0, 4 and 0 are the solution of given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, so you can put up very easily way. And in the third condition, you see the third condition here. Third condition is that first you write down the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. You put up the value of x and y. The value of x is root 2 and the value of y is equal to 4 and root 2. So under root 2 minus 2 into 4 under root 2, it is equal to 4. Under root 2 minus 4 to the 8 root 2 is equal to 4. 1 minus 8 minus 7 under root 2 does not equal to 4. Both are not equal to 4. So you can say under root 2 and 4 under root 2 is not a solution of given equations x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. So all of you understand these questions. So are going to solve the next question. Next question is that find the value of k. Here you can find the value of any constant k if some conditions are given. This is the equation number 3rd. That question number 4, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 of the given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Here some values of x and y are given. The value of x, this is equal to 2, and the value of y, this is equal to 1. You put up the values of x and y. I put up x is equal to 2, it means 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 1, it means 3 into 1, this is equal to k. So 2 2s are 4 and plus 3, this is equal to k. So here k is equal to 4 plus 3, this is equal to 7. Then you can see the value of constant k, it is equal to 7. So if the value of x and y is given, then you can easy way find the value of any constant which is given in the question. Here is in the question the constant is given in the form of k. So the value of k, it is equal to 7. This exercise is completed. So we are going to solve another problems related to the linear equations of the two variables. Here is a one form of the solutions of the linear equation. This is the graphical solution. How you can solve any linear equations, use the graph. So first you see that how we can solve these linear equations using method of the graphical solution. Here you see the graph of a linear equation. Graph of linear equation of two variable. Okay. Suppose that first you take a linear equation and after that you can draw the graph using the various points. I take a linear equations. Here is a linear equation is given x plus y, this is equal to 4. X plus y, this is equal to 4. Okay. Suppose that here linear equation x and y, this is equal to 4. So you put up the value of x and y. X and y. You take minimum 3 values for the solving any equations. Here is equal to x. So if you, here is a equation is given x plus y, this is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus y. You put up the values of y and find the value of x. The value of y I put up 0. After that 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I put up y is equal to 0, so this is equal to 4 minus 0, it is equal to 4. So the value of x, this is equal to 4. If I put up x, y is equal to 1, so 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3. If I put up y is equal to 2, 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3, 4 minus 3, this is equal to 1, and 4 minus 4, this is equal to 0. So here is the various values of the x and y. By helping these values of x and y, you can draw a graph. Suppose that I take a quadrant. Here is a x and y. So this is the x and this is the y. Some values here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The values of y is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I put up the values. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, then y is equal to 1. You take, here is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. It means in the front of 3 and 1, this point. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to also 2. So it is equal to 2. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. You take these points and you can draw a line. So this is the graphical representations of the two variable equation, linear equations. You can draw as like this. So I think all of you understand, and taking help of these solutions, you can also draw the many equations of the two variables. Okay, so you can solve next questions. Okay, bye.